Hello. I look like a foot. I'm trying to organize myself this morning. It is Sunday morning and I'm trying to work. I know Sunday is a day of rest and I should be resting, but no, work comes first. I'm meeting Lisa for lunch. That is why I am working this morning, because I never got to put up a video on Friday because of gym and just all my wild antics. And yesterday I was broken from the gym. My bum was sore, my legs were sore, my arms were sore, but I still felt great. So I think what I'm gonna do is, after I meet Lisa for lunch, well, maybe an hour after, I'll go for like a light jog, because I just want to keep the momentum going and I'm not as much pain today. So I'm going to meet Lisa and Eddie Rockets. I think she's bringing her goddaughter with her. That'll be fun. Me and Lisa and a little 5-year-old child. That should be hilarious, the two of us trying to look after her. So I'll just leave that all up to Lisa because she's the pro. Fun. I don't have any news from like the weekend. I didn't do a whole lot this weekend. It's only Sunday, so I still have today left, but I didn't do anything. I was talking to John, obviously, this morning and last night and everything after he finished the Mom Turks. I am so proud of him. He did it all. He did the whole range of Mom Turks. I think it took them something like 7 hours, 11 hours, 7, 11. I'm not sure. There's a bit of a difference between 7 and 11 hours, but I can't remember what he said to me on the phone. But he did it and his sister did it as well. So I'm so proud of both of them. I feel like they just did such an achievement. I would not be able for it. I mean, I went to an hour-long session at the gym and was broke up for a day. I couldn't imagine how they must be feeling today after doing like a mountain range. I'm living vicariously through them because I'm proud of them and I just think they did a great job. Mum and Dad are going to London. It's their wedding anniversary tomorrow. They are 30 years married. That is just crazy. I obviously wasn't around before they got married, but I just cannot believe that they're 30 years married. Such a long time to be married, isn't it? It's crazy. And I remember when I went to my grandparents' 50th wedding anniversary, they're now 60 years married. I'm like, what on earth? It's just an immense amount of time to be with one person, which is just so lovely, isn't it though? Like, it's so nice to be like, oh, we've been together for 60 years. Oh, it's so cute. Yeah, so I'm gonna go get dressed and organize myself and go and meet Lisa. I think I might bring that pinafore dress back as well to Penny's, and yeah, that's all I kind of really wanted to do. I don't know what the weather's like out there. It looks a bit chill, so I might wear my little brown jacket, the new jacket that I bought, because I really like that. But then I'm like, maybe it's too warm for like a long jacket, but I'm like, no, winter's here, I want a long jacket. I'm also looking at biker boots online and I found the most beautiful pair of biker boots, but I'm just like not sure about them, because you know the way like when it's still kind of slightly warm, you hate buying winter clothes. I'm just trying to get them for you. I hate buying winter clothes when it's slightly warm. Am I the only one? I just feel like, oh, I'm never going to wear that. It's never going to be cold enough to wear it. And then like when I have it, I want to wear it straight away, but like I'm buying it in the summer when it's warm. But anyway, I saw these biker boots and I was like, I need them. They're from Zara and they're just, oh my god, they're the prettiest things I've ever seen. Are you ready for this, guys? Are you actually ready? Just look at them boots. I am shook to my core. They are so beautiful. They're bejeweled leather biker boots and I am just so obsessed. Like, I need them in my life. I need them in my life. They are so beautiful. I got a package the other day and I never showed you guys what it was, but it was all like Beverly Hills toothbrush, toothpaste, mouthwash, stuff like that. So I'll show you what they sent me. I was very grateful for it. This is what they sent me in a box. I'm so happy with it. They sent me this, the Brilliant Pearl, jeez Louise, professional white 2-in-1 teeth whitening kit. So it has 21 whitening strips, 14 upper, 14 lower, and a whitening pen. I cannot wait to try this out. I shouldn't be whitening my teeth with Invisalign because obviously they'll just get stained. It's just going to defeat the purpose, but why not? Let's just try it. The whitening pen, my sister swears by these. She's a dental nurse and she's had whitening pens for ages and says they are great, so I will give that a go. I don't know what the Beverly Hills one is like, but sure, we'll try it out. And then they sent me the mouthwash, which is the Fresh Pearl scent. So I'm going to do this now because I have to brush my teeth now, obviously, because it's the morning. Sent me a little note. Thank you so much, Beverly Hills. And then they sent me 3 toothpastes. So they sent me one for sensitive, for enamel remineralizing, and then a whitening one. So that's a black one. I love them. What's this? What is this? What are you? Apple sour flavor alcohol drink. What? This is Mwab. Never heard of it. 50% vol. Okay, I have never heard of this, but there's 2 of them in there. And I'm not a big alcohol drinker, but you know, maybe on a night out I might do these. Are they shots? I don't know. Then they sent me one of these rings. I have a few of these. I love them. Lightning rings. I usually put them on the camera in the winter time when I'm vlogging. They sent me the lip shot from Sleek in the shade, where's the shade? Plot Twist. That looks like a really, really nice autumn colour. They sent me this what is this? Biodegradable glitter. Glitter Fest. Is this body glitter? Yeah, glitter for your body and your face. Wow, that's crazy. Cool, thank you. And then they sent me a water bottle. Brilliant. I would bring this to the gym, but I drink gallons of water in the gym, so this might not be ideal, but it might be just like great to just bring in the car with me if I just want to sip on water for the day. Thank you. And then these glasses. They're very unusual. They've no lenses. That's kind of cool though. I love glasses. I'm just obsessed. Maybe I could get lenses put in these or something. Do they have room for lenses? Yeah, they actually do. I don't know where they're from, but they're kind of cool. Thank you so much, Beverly Hills, for sending me out those products. I cannot wait to try like the whitening strips particularly, and the mouthwash and toothpaste and stuff. I am so dying for that. So thank you so much, guys, for those beautiful products and for thinking of me and sending me out something wonderful. I'm going to wear my Hello Happy foundation today. I am obsessed with this foundation. It's all I've been wearing lately and I just love it. I gave one to Ollie to wear last night. I don't know if she wore it. I gave her number 5. Did she take it? Yeah, she must have taken it because I only have 6, 4 and 7 here. So this is like my go-to new foundation. I adore it, especially on days where you just want a light coverage, but it gives you like a light coverage but still covers everything, if that makes any sense. It's amazeballs. So back in my sitting room uploading a video for today, and I feel so bad because I lied to you all, guys. I lied to you. I told you guys that I wasn't in pain, that the gym didn't affect me as much as I thought it did. But I'm just after going up and getting dressed. And let me tell you, my muscles were screaming at me. Oh, even I fell over at one stage trying to put one of my shoes on. It's not good. It's really, really not good. I am in pain. Severe pain. I know it's good pain. But I don't know. I lied to you. I told you I wasn't in pain. Went up, got dressed. No, I am in pain. I'm in so much pain. Let's move on from that. I'm meeting Lisa now. I just got ready, did my makeup. I have no idea what's even on my face because I just like picked random stuff out. I know what foundation I used. That's about it. Oh, and I used Ring the Alarm eyeshadows from Jaclyn Hill and the new Barely There lip gloss from Dose of Colours, which feels a bit gritty. Not gonna lie, feels kind of like there's something in the lip gloss. I don't know, just feels slightly weird. I didn't even straighten my hair. My hair has stayed straight since Friday. I haven't washed it since Friday naturally, but it's getting so much better and healthier and longer. I'm happy with my hair. I'm not gonna lie, I miss my extensions. I miss my bond-in extensions. I miss the volume. I miss the length. I miss the fullness. I miss them. I just miss them so much, and I don't know what to do. I don't want to get them done because so many people are like, oh, your hair is so much better shorter. And my hair is really easy to manage when it's shorter. And then, but I don't get the same feeling from this hair as I do when I have my extensions in. It just makes me feel so happy on the inside and the outside. I'm wearing my new jacket from Penny's. What do you guys think? And I'm wearing my new top that I showed you in yesterday's vlog, just the little clip one. And I'm wearing black leather jeans and some black shoes. That's what I'm wearing. See my Lisa and see how she is, because I haven't seen her in like a month maybe. Isn't that terrible? I've been talking to her and like, yeah, we'll meet up, we'll do this, and it's just life's gotten in the way. So I am so looking forward to seeing her. I can't wait. I have so much to fill her in on, so much stuff, and I'm sure she'll have some news for me. I just can't wait to see her. Okay, been a change of plan. I'm going to meet Lisa now and we're going for coffee instead of Eddie Rockets, so that will be much better. My neighbour gone by. Yeah, so I'd love like a stir fry for dinner tonight. My legs are aching. I feel like they're like jelly. They are so painful, but no pain, no gain. I hate that saying, but it's so true. Like if your legs are not paining you, then clearly you're not doing exercise, you're not working out. But I am in bits. I can't imagine what John's like today after climbing at mountain range. I would say he's in a little bit of pain. I've been talking to him this morning really about his climb. I was talking to his brother. His brother's in Australia, and I was talking to his brother this morning. He's doing a cycle across Australia. He's doing 5,100 kilometers on a bike. I mean, that is just insane. And he was just talking to me today about his journey because he's heading off next week. And I was just like wishing him luck, obviously, because that is pretty intense. Not gonna lie, that's pretty intense. There's no way I'd be ever able to do something like that. So fair play to people who do things like that, because I think there's something to be admired there. I was watching a movie, Crazy Stupid Love, last night. I want to finish it. I only kind of started it just to see what it was like, and it was kind of like, it was getting good, it was fun. So I think I'm gonna finish that and watch that when I get back from seeing Lisa, and then I think John will be on his way home. Yeah, he'll probably be leaving soon because he's just dropped his sister to the train. I'm here now. I'm gonna get my coffee in a takeaway cup as well, because I never ever drink coffee, like the full thing. I like to sip on it throughout the day. Is that weird? I've talked about this before. It takes me hours to drink a full cup of coffee. So usually I get it in a takeaway cup, that if like somebody, one of us has to leave or whatever, that I have my coffee in a takeaway cup, and that it's, you know, I can bring it with me. How weird. I'm odd, I know. Just finished having some coffee with Lisa, and I'm just continuing to drink my Costa, and I had the best day because we've been going around there for the last 2 hours, and she had her little goddaughter with her as well, Amelia, and I was like talking to Amelia about all the little unicorns and fluffy things and Disney, and driving Lisa nuts because she was like, you're gonna make her want everything. I was like, I know, I want everything. God help me on the day when I actually have a child of my own. I'd be like, look at this, get this, you want that. I'll just be like more interested in the stuff than the kids. I'm gonna head home now. John just rang me. He's on the way home from Galway. He just left Galway City. I think he might be staying with me tonight because I'm not leaving the house tonight, because Ollie's on her own. Mum and Dad are going to London, as I said earlier, and obviously I don't want to leave my little baby sister on her own in the house. Lisa and Barry, her boyfriend, and me and John are meeting up next week, I think, for dinner. So we're going to go somewhere for like an early bird or something, because Lisa's boyfriend works nights, or he works late. So we want to go somewhere kind of like on a day that he's not working nights, and you know, whatever. You know what I'm trying to say. We're trying to organise dinner for the 4 of us anyway. I'm gonna go home now. I bought a jumper in Penny's, a big oversized grey jumper, and I am going to put that on, put some pajama bottoms on, put fluffy socks on, get myself a hot water bottle and snuggle up on the couch for the next little while, and then I'm going to wait for obviously John to come in and we'll get food together, because I think that would be awesome. Oh, I'm so glad I got to meet Lisa today now, even when she's with her little goddaughter, because she's so adorable. And I just had a really nice evening, really nice afternoon with her. It's just lovely to get out and about and hang out with your friends, and my friends were so important to me. They're the most amazing people I've ever had the pleasure to have an encounter with, let alone be friends with. I have the best friends ever, and I always say that in my vlogs, but like, it is true. Like, I don't know where I'd be without my friends and my family. And even Lisa said to me there now, she was like, Aisling, I have never seen you so content, so happy, so in such a good place in your life. And I was like, yeah, I know, it's great, because she obviously has seen everything. Lisa's been my friend since, God, we were very little, very little. We started school together, so we're over 20 years friends. That is a crazy length of time to be friends with somebody, over 20 years. And then I think like Neve and I are over 10 years friends, and same as me and Michelle. Like, we're just friends for years. And Amy and me are friends for like maybe coming up on 11 years. Like, I just think that's nuts. Like, they just seem to, like, it seems like no time since the first time you ever met each other. Like, when I think that Lisa and I are over 20 years friends, I'm like, whoa, that is just bizarre. Like, we did everything together as teenagers, everything. And it's so crazy, like, to think that 20 years have gone by and it doesn't even feel like that. Not at all, because we started school together and it just never felt, it doesn't feel any different. It's so weird. And even if we don't see each other like every single day or every single week, every time we do meet each other, it's exactly the same. We catch up on life over the last month or 6 weeks in literally 10 minutes, and then we just start talking about old times and fun times. And like, even today we're just having coffee and then walking around the shops, and it was just nice. Like, it's just, you know, it's a good friendship, and they're rare. They are rare, and they're good to have, and when you have them, you hold on to them tight. Okay, I'm home. I put on an oversized jumper that I bought in Pennies because it's like grey, oversized, huge, and exactly what I want. I have my pajama bottoms on and I'm going to sit down and watch a Netflix movie. I think I'm going to finish the Crazy Stupid Love. Like, it is pouring rain outside, it's miserable, so I think a night in sounds just delicious. I hope all you guys are having a lovely day as well. I'm reading through your comments on my latest vlog, so I'm going to reply to them now, but I did see a sneaky comment from one of my subscribers who just said that they saw me in Pennies just now when I was in Pennies, and I wish you came up to see me. She was just saying she didn't feel comfortable enough coming up to me, but never ever ever be afraid if you see me in public to come up, say hello. All I will do is just throw my arms around you, give you a big hug, probably ask your name and ask how your day is. That's it. So don't ever be afraid to come up and see me and talk to me and say hello, because I love to talk to you guys, and I will never ever ever be like, why you come to talk to me? Never. I'm not that type of person. I will just give you a big hug and just hope you have a great day. And if you don't want to say anything, a hug just says a million things, I think. It's so nice to get a hug from a person. So never be afraid to come up and approach me. If I'm with my friends, my family, my boyfriend, whoever, come up and say hello, because I'd love to meet you guys. And I feel sad that that girl didn't come up and say hello, because she probably would have made my day as well. But bottom line, never be afraid to say hello, because I love talking to you guys. Oh my god, guys, I'm actually in tears. I'm watching the movie Crazy Stupid Love and I actually am crying laughing at it. It is so funny. The end of it, when the men are all like arguing, oh my god. If you want to watch anything on Netflix tonight, watch Crazy Stupid Love. Oh my god, I am in tears laughing at it. It's amazing.